Hello students, welcome to my channel. If you like my channel, then please subscribe, like and share. I am going to bring about new things for you. Today we are learn about our past, why we study our history, from which situation our society created, how it is generated, when it is generated, where people live, what they eat. We learn gradually about this. Before independence or when our society or civilization started, people live people live in forests where they live in gathering manner. They lives by hunting, farming, rulers, merchants, persons, craftsperson, artist, musician, etc. Their children played games. They heard story from their parents, grandparents. They saw what people are doing. They sang the song, various songs which is learned by their parents. After that, we are going to know about where did people live. People generally live the bank of rivers, uh, and they are gathering one place for food. They knew about the vast wealth of plantation and surrounding forests and collects roots. Every day they collect roots, fruits, and forest produce for their food. They also hunted animals, various animals for their day-to-day transaction. Basically, we know about this, how they where did people live. People live in the bank of river, and they gather at one place for food. They knew about vast wealth, plants surrounding forest, and collected roots, fruits, and other forest produced items. They also hunted animals. This is the map. This is the map. um, I mean to say that some areas people where men and women first began to grow crops. First, some some men and women grow crops and wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago and located here. People are began rearing animals like sheep, goat, and cattle and lived village. Look at the Garo Hills and northeast and Bandhaj in the central India. They were some of the other areas where agriculture developed. The places where rice was first grown are to be north of the Bandhaj. I mean to say that first time some men or women grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago, and they gradually they learn how to crop. They are also rearing animals like sheep, goat, and cattle and lived in village. Gradually they are living in one place at gathering, for which it is going to create a surrounding of villages. After that, about 4,700 years ago, some of the earlier citizens flourished on the banks of the rivers. Later, about 2,500 years ago, city developed on the banks of the Ganga and the tributes and along the sea course. Look, Ganga and its tributary called as Son. The ancient time, the area along with rivers to the south of the Ganga is known as Magadha and now lying in the state of Bihar. Its ruler was very powerful and set up large kingdom. Kingdoms were set up in the other parts of the country as well. Throughout, people traveled from one part of subcontinent to another. The hills and high mountains include the Himalayas, deserts, rivers, and seas made journeys dangerous at the time but never impossible. 4,700 years ago, some peoples are living the banks of the river. But about 2,500 years ago, they are going to live in the banks of river and tributaries, which is known as Son. In ancient times, the area which belongs to river of the south of Ganga now is known as Magadha. that is belongs to Bihar state. Its ruler at that time, that ruler is very powerful and set up a large kingdom. People traveled one part to another part, but at that time not facilitates so they it is very dangerous from traveling one place to another, but not impossible. So men and women moved in the search of livelihood. At that time they are moving from one place to another. They were moved from one place to another for various fruits and natural if there is natural disasters like flood and droughts, they also move one place to another place. Sometimes men marched in arms, conquering other lands, beside merchants traveling with caravans or ships, carrying valuable goods from which place to another place. And religious teachers walked from village to village and town to town, stopped to offer instructions and advice on the way. Finally, some people perhaps traveled driven by spirit and adventure, waiting for discover new and excited place. All this leads to sharing ideas between people. At that time some peoples are living are lived from the place are lived in the river in bank of Ganga and tributaries, which is known as Son. um, at that time Magadha ruler was very powerful. He built a large kingdom and set up a country, set up other parts of country as well. People travel from one place to another place. Traveling facilities are not there, but they are traveling very dangerous way. They are traveling from one place to another, and by the and in this way they are if there is in flood or natural disasters, they also move from one place to another place. This is all about your how people live, how what eat. After that in next class we are going to learn about the land. So please attend class and learn about something. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.